day I called, you answered me, O Lord. On the day I called, you answered me, O Lord. I thank you, Lord, with all my heart. You have heard the words of my mouth. In the presence of the angels I praise you. I bow down toward your holy temple. On the day I called, you answered me, O Lord. I give thanks to your name for your merciful love and your faithfulness. You have exalted your name over all. On the day I called, you answered me. You increased the strength of my soul. On the day I called, you answered me, O Lord. The Lord is high yet he looks on the lowly, and the haughty he knows from afar. You give me life though I walk amidst affliction. You stretch out your hand against the anger of my foes. On the day I called, you answered me, O Lord. With your right hand you save me. The Lord will accomplish this for me. O Lord, your merciful love is eternal. Discard not the work of your hands. On the day I called, you answered me, O